The next aspect of technical SEO that is very important is responsiveness. A responsive website is one that is able to adapt to different mobile devices or desktops. These days, mobile devices of all sizes are available, whether they are phones or tablets. So you want to make sure you are catering to consumers who use your website using these devices. Fonts, visual and interactive elements like pop-ups, tabs, and navigation are some of the most common things that most websites mess up when it comes to creating a good user experience on mobile devices. And these are the most critical elements that you should pay attention to. And here's why you can't ignore designing for mobile devices. With more than 60% of browsing done using mobile devices, how can you ignore this huge market? Browser Stack is a popular tool that is used to check how your website looks on different browsers and devices. So if you want to really make sure your website caters to all sorts of devices, then Browser Stack is one of the tools that you can use.